Welcome back. Welcome back to another update. Today we're getting close to the end of the foundation work. The guys did a lot of work today. I won't do much talking, but I will point out a lot of the details in the foundation and how they affect the structure. So let's get to it. The first detail we're going to talk about are the foundation vents. There's 3 of these vents around the foundation because there's really only 3 sizes available. And what that does, it keeps humidity from building up and lets air circulate so you don't get a rotten smell or any kind of decaying underneath there. We can close those vents in the wintertime to keep the freezing air out, but that's what those vents are for. And we'll come over here, and what you see, we have these tie-downs. We have these bolts that are equally spaced around the foundation, and what they do, they go through the sill plate and they bolt down. The sill plate is the wood, that goes across that the 2x4s will go up to make the studs. This is important because you want to be able to hold the house down in case there's a hurricane or a tornado or something like that. You don't want the house lifting off of the foundation. So that's a very important detail. What we have right here is the opening for the crawl space. We will be able to get in underneath the building once the flooring is put on to service any of the piping, electrical work, and anything like that. It is not a basement. It's just a crawl space, and that's what it is. It will be able to store some little things like hoses and chairs and stuff like that. But there will be a slab going in once all this debris and everything's cleared out. Right here in the center is a stack of block, and that is to support the beam. There's a beam that will go across from here to there, and that will provide structural support for the flooring and for the building. And we have these pockets that are cut into the block right here, so the wood beam could just sit across there. And that might be a steel beam, but right now I think it's just a engineered wood beam. But we'll see as we go forward. Right here, this little jog-out is for a bay window. The contractor insisted that the block be jogged out so that the window will not sag. A lot of people don't agree with that. They think that it's only necessary to put the joists out and then put it up with wood and hold it up like that. But he insisted on this. It was a minor detail. It really didn't cost me anything to do it, and so I did it. So there's no way that window will ever sag. Then you can see down below here, that stucco type work, that's waterproofing for the foundation. That's to keep water from coming in the foundation and deteriorating the foundation. I'm not personally worried about it, but it is code. And it is important that that's done. So just wrapping up, just take a little look around here. You can see we made huge progress, and we should be off getting the slab put in the next couple of days or maybe next week, because today is Wednesday. So once they clean everything out, it'll probably be either Friday or early next week the slab will go in, and hopefully these guys will be out of here and off the job. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. I noticed that a lot of people are looking at these videos. Please subscribe. The subscriptions help, and your questions and comments really help too. Make me get better and give me some ideas on what you guys want to see out there. So thanks a lot. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care. Bye now.